Nakabenta ki khobor ke ba man kasngi subscribe yo Antor News.
Supplementary question.
Exactly, sir. Supplementary question. Sir, I would like to get a clear clarification from Honorable Chief Minister, because we are completely confused about the area, Mokro. This particular area, where it falls, whether it falls into a state of Meghalaya or Assam, a state of Assam.
No, this is not related to the principal question. No. This is regarding the safety and security of the people.
Yes,
now,
exactly. Exactly.
You're
sir.
talking about the line of,
exactly, sir. This also it's very relevant with the entire safety and security of the.
Sir, for the benefit of the honourable member, first I have to ask him: is he confused, or is he asking me? I'm confused.
No. The state as a whole confused. Why? Because
I don't think anybody is confused.
No.
It sounds like you're confused.
The people in the state.
You
confused,
put your question,
sir.
You could put your question, please.
I'll put the question, sir. Because why we are getting the statement from. We have seen the statement made by Honorable Chief Minister.
Your question, please.
Yes. Because of that, I would like to know from this August House to get a clear picture whether Mokro areas fall into a state of Meghalaya or state of Assam.
Sir, as you said correctly, that this is not a part of this this question, but it's a very important issue. As mentioned, sir, the honorable member himself sounds a bit confused about this issue. I have, number one, clearly stated yesterday that Mokro is very much within the state of Meghalaya. There is no doubt about that, sir. Whether it is from the census code, which is the 279192 census code, Mokro village is under jurisdiction of West Jaintia Hills. Mokro village is also listed as having a VEC under the MGNRGS in Laskin block. The election that took place, there are polling stations of 4 Mokro A and 5 Mokro B falling under Mokoya constituency, with the population of voting of Mokro A, male 802 and female 794, and the elections were conducted and voting took place. In the Mokro village, fair price shops from Meghalaya side of Mokro A, 235 ration cards and 1,285 beneficiaries, and in Mokro B, 179 ration cards and 944 beneficiaries are there. In Mokro village also has got state government, Meghalaya state government buildings, which is the Mokro government LP school and the Mokro health sub-center, which is offering services to the people, and so on and so forth, sir. As of 17th March, in fact, the Mokro VEC has 502 job cards issued, and the residents of the area are getting the benefits through the state government in terms of the central schemes which are being implemented by Meghalaya state government under PMAYG, Jal Jeevan, SBM, and other developmental activities, sir. So I just wanted to clarify there is no confusion, and the other statements being made are statements that are made, but our stand is very clear that Mokro is very much part of Meghalaya, and the facts and figures I have given to you clearly indicate that Mokro is very much part of Meghalaya, sir.
Thank you,
Next supplementary question.
Honorable Chief Minister, for replying the question which had put forth. So I would like more to, if that is the case, that Mokro is fallen beloved state of Meghalaya, then the last resident which taken place in Mokro, 5 innocent life has been taken unnecessary by the official from the Assam counterpart. So whether the state government had filed an FIR, may I know this, sir?
Sir, as mentioned earlier, that this is sub judice in the sense that there is a commission of inquiries, and sir, as per Rule 37.10, under the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business in the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, it states that it shall not ordinarily, in terms of the conditions of accessibility of questions, It should not ordinarily ask about matters pending before any statutory tribunal or statutory authority performing any judicial or quasi-judicial functions or any commissions or any commission or court of inquiry. So therefore, I will not be able to go into much of the details because it's as per the rules, but I can just, for the satisfaction of the honorable member, mention to him that under the Nartyang PS, a case has been, FIR has been registered, sir.
So last, my last supplementary question. So, okay, if that is the case, that you have registered the, this incident which has taken place. So may I know the case number, sir? Because this is for the benefiting, not for me, not for VPP, but for the people of the state. Because
sir,
in my, excuse me, sir. Because in my place, there are times that consciousness is far greater than the written law.
What is exactly your question? The case number.
Yes, sir.
Sir, as I mentioned, that this entire thing is under the judiciary inquiry right now, commissions of inquiry, and hence it will not be appropriate for me to go into all the details. And therefore, all the information and all is available in this file, but I'm not have it right now with me. But as I said, if the honorable member would like, then we'll make it available. But as I said, we would avoid wanting to go into details about the Mukro because the inquiry of commissions is going on, sir.